Hello, Taurus. So if you are Taurus, sun, moon, or rising sign, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. So what do you need to know for Taurus right now? Oh, 5 of discs, worry. So there could be something on your mind. This could be worries about money, projects, work, future, material things, things that you may want to get, achieve, and maybe worry about not being able to. Take the bottom and the top, I usually do. But this also means, so this can mean challenging times right now. So you could be thinking about a lot of things recently, having to do with your goals and what you want to do, material things, money, career, choice, where you are in your life, your purpose, what you want to do. The Princess of Wands. What I get with this card is you may not be feeling so motivated. You could be feeling like motivation is challenging for you guys right now, determination. So you could be looking for that. Where's that passion? Where did my passion go right now? And a lot of this has to do with the energy of the planets right now for you guys, Taurus. The Prince of Wands. This is the card now. This is the goal. So this is the challenge and this is the goal. This is thinking about taking the action and this is actually doing it. So it's all a matter of if things aren't going the way you want them to go, if you want to change in the way things are going, then you need to make a change. It's about making that first move, making that move to whatever it is that you guys want to bring in, whatever it is that you guys want to do. You could be procrastinating, some of you guys could be thinking about things over and over. The 9 of discs. Things were looking good. So there was a plan here, I feel, with a lot of you guys, Taurus, and there was a plan here and things were looking good for this plan. In the recent past, you had like a plan to do something, or you actually did something, and things were looking good. The Knight of Cups. I almost want to say that with this, the Knight of Cups is like playful, charming, things that make you feel like emotionally fulfilled, and something that like love. It's like a romantic card. It's like loving what you're doing. So you could be really thinking about a project that you want to do, and you have like very excited about this. This would be like the thing for you. This would make you, if this worked out, it's like your bliss. It's like it would make things easy for you. Then you can enjoy things. Like there's a goal here that you guys really want to see. But I feel like something happens here and there's a concern that maybe this ain't going to work out, or there's something else about it that you need to research or something like that here. There could be more work to do before you keep going with this. I almost want to say like a dream that you have, and there could be more research, a little bit more time before, or a change that you need to do to make this happen. And we have the Ace of Cups. And you have the cups here, you have the cups here. So this is about happiness. Ace of Cups is something new, a new opportunity for happiness, a new something new that you might do for happiness here. So you have happiness and you have desire. And you have, you're really thinking about money, material things. This can also be wellness. I always say that the discs are associated with the earth element, and that can also mean, besides material things, goals and money, this and studies, this can also mean wellness and work. So there's something this is where your heart is. Your heart is pulling you here, and there's a little bit of a challenge with motivation. The 9 of Cups, happiness. So you have the 9 of Cups here, you have the 9 of discs here, you have the 9 of Cups here, happiness. So there is a lot to be happy about right now. I feel like you have answers around you, support around you. There's people, so there could be people that have knowledge about this that you can maybe go to. Maybe you guys are thinking twice about that. So it's about looking at the positives, or looking at the options, looking at what could help you feel this fulfillment, because I feel like you have some good things to be happy about here. I feel like you guys have come from the recent past. Even though things look good here, there could be something emotional happening, and this is starting to get lighter right now. Prudence. The Eight of Discs. Things are looking good here. So if you are working or something like that, there are opportunities around you. There is help around you. I feel like something has come to you guys, or something could be coming to you guys from other people, like other people helping you, or maybe there was a raise here, maybe there was a recognition here, or maybe there was something. And I almost, what I'm getting for some of you guys is that you could have had a plan on your own thing, and if you're working for someone else, you could be wanting to do your own thing on the side, and it could be someone else that maybe now recognized you, or is giving you it feels better, whatever your situation was, whether you wanted to leave it or not. So you could be like thinking twice, like, do I stay here, do I go there, or something good happened here with material things, money, situations, like maybe opportunities from other people. I feel like there's someone else involved helping in the situation. You have the Six of Discs, success. This is what's on your mind. So with this, I'm getting, if you have two things going on, it's like you want success in both areas. You want to be recognized for what you're doing, and whatever this project is, you want to have success in this, because this feels like the key to happiness here. It's passion. So there was a passion here, and somehow it's like maybe challenging to feel that motivation. So this is success, the Six of Pentacles, and usually it's success, and it usually means helping others, charity work, or even or the other way around, money coming to you. But I feel like in you guys, whatever it is that you're doing, you want success, and maybe whatever you're doing might help others, or maybe you could be looking for someone to help you with that, whether it's financial, maybe you need extra money to do whatever this is that you want to do with this, the Six of Discs, a loan or something like that. So some of you guys could be looking for help, and some of you guys could be looking to do work that helps others, which in turn helps yourself. So there could be some money things, maybe even wellness. Maybe you're looking for a gift or something to learn, to start a program, or to do something where it has to do with wellness. The Lovers card. This is a near future card. So the Lovers is being attracted to a person, a situation, a thing. So it also means a choice. It also means choice. It means that you can have two different options, and it's about really looking at your two options and what is it that's drawing you to it, and is it the right reasons, is it the wrong reasons, like does it just look pretty, or does it just look good and it's really not, or is it the real thing? So maybe the real thing doesn't look so attractive on the outside, the package, and then on the inside is the better thing. So this is really about you could have a decision to make in the near future about something that you are attracted to, that you may have more than one option. This could be relationships, it could be a job, it could be a money situation, a wellness situation, like which way you're gonna go. So there could be something here with the Lovers coming in the near future, besides whatever the goals are here, unless it is a relationship goal. And then we have the Moon card and the Prince of Swords. what I'm getting with this, especially with the way the planets have been, and this could be why you're feeling these emotional or feelings or challenging feelings. There's a lot of self-reflection here, so you could be coming out of a place that recently could have been some self-doubt here, and you could be coming to a better place right now. And the Prince of Swords is, it's about taking control of your mind and not letting those limiting thoughts interfere with what you want to do. And whether you guys realize that or not, you could also be looking towards or attracted to hearing affirmations, positive affirmations, or maybe you're noticing like someone says something and you just needed to hear that at the right time to just bring that power back to yourself, and especially paying attention to how you speak to yourself in your mind. So this is about taking control of that and not letting the words block you, your thoughts block you. And a lot of self-reflecting here. Really, I feel like you just came out of a time where you were maybe not feeling secure, or maybe having some doubts or even regrets of certain things in the past. But I feel like you guys are just getting over that, and things are going to feel lighter. So I feel like things are going to feel lighter. There's answers here. There's a Lover's card here. There's opportunities around you here. I feel like people are there to help out or to give you something. You may be looking for help here, or you may be having success where you can help yourself or help others here. So I wish you guys well, Taurus. Hang in there. Sending love.